My name is Alan, I'm the founder of GoConnect. We're an organisation that provides bespoke education and training for young people. Our focus is predominantly digital skills, enterprise and employability training. I firmly believe in creating a level playing field for young people, giving young people an opportunity to get involved in activities and projects that they might not usually have access to. So our work focuses on helping others to sort of help themselves identify aspirations and to get a head start in life.
My role within the RDP programme was to help and support young people looking to start a business.
SafePoint was started from one of GoConnect's rural development courses, essentially, which was created to try and get young people to come up with their own ideas and just break out their whole "I'm from South Wales, I can't do anything" mentality that a lot of people have around here.
I think it certainly helped me get out of my shell a bit more. Definitely would have seen myself setting up a business or trying anything on my own before doing the course.
For me, it's helped with confidence and sort of talking in front of a crowd. So as part of SafePoint, I had to go to London and deliver a funding pitch to people which I've never met before, and yeah, it's something I would never normally do or even think to do, so it's helped me tremendously with my confidence.
GoConnect helped me a lot with my work on my own because I wanted to be a guitar tutor, so Alan helped me sort of guide me in that sort of route, which he helped me with the marketing and stuff like that I didn't really think about before as a musician.